All right, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing? I just want to make a quick reaction to what is going on. The news has it that Benue people are not fighting back. Seriously. I wanted to come live yesterday to discuss about the video that Two-Face made. Two-Face is from Benue, but we couldn't make it yesterday. So let me just say something, make a comment on that before we come live today, because hopefully we are going to stream today. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember that what is going in Benue today can happen any other place. It's not only peculiar to Benue people. But why is it so, more intense in Benue State? Fulani people love to start, their conquest in those places that seem to be difficult. They will manipulate some people within and capture the entire place. And it seems like the plan is not going the way they wanted it, even though there's a video trending as well showing how the department, like security, Nigerian security forces, police, army, and rest of them are trying their best to help them to find a better place to hide, escorting them out from the places simply because government knows that these guys are their machineries. This is not a call for war, a call for hate, anything at all. But to say the record straight, like I always tell you, if you refuse to say it the way it is, you will end up regretting it. Do you understand that what Benue people are going through now is exactly what they want every corner, every places, every location in Nigeria to be like? They are not doing it because it's not as if they hate Benue people. Do you understand? It's not as if they just hate them for hating sake, but the target is their land. The target is the land. Now, government pretend not to know what to do about it. But the same government have strength to travel to Kenya to kidnap Mazinamuna Modekano. Look at what is going on in Plateau State, a state where Gowon come from. That is his own state. And people are dying like chicken there. They are buying people like never before. And Gowon is there. So all this thing is a sign that the country cannot stand. It's a sign that it can never ever stand. Not when we say that and people will say, oh, you are calling for world division, you guys are break away, and all that nonsense. Yoruba people don't want to hear. I'm talking about Yoruba politicians. They are fungias. They don't want to hear anything about freedom of Biafrans or Igbo people. It is very, very clear. But now in Yoruba land, the same thing that Igbos or other tribe are crying about, is exactly what is happening in their own land as well. Now, you from the southeast, what are you expecting to happen before you wake up? What are you expecting? I'm not saying you should wake up and start buying any other people, but for you to wake up to understand your life is in danger, and you have no other person, no other person to help you other than yourself. You are the only one to stand on your feet and do something to help yourself. When people call for protection, to protect our land, like fundraising, some of you will use that against people. Oh, you are donating money to do what? Because this accusation now is a terrorism. They will tell you that you are financing terror. You are doing this, you are doing that. Today, Israel are defending themselves. They are fighting against Iran. Doing that not because they want to do it, but this issue is that they have to do that. I'm not here to support any killing or any criminality or anything at all. All I'm trying to do is to let you know that you don't wait for people to give you license to defend yourself. Naturally, it is in you. When you feel threatened, you be the one to stand up and defend yourself. It's only a fool or a foolish person that will wait and for people who are very calm, who have their life and who have their life in their hands, protect themselves. Only them can think like that, because you don't wait for them to come and give you license to defend yourself. It doesn't work that way. So as you all know that some people, because I watch some people, these saboteurs and weak people are in everywhere. To be honest with you, do you know that some Americans are shouting that telling the American government to stay away, don't help Israel, don't do anything about it, and they don't know, or maybe they do, but out of stupidity or ignorant, they are sounding as if they don't have anything to do, that this is not their problem. In fact, it's a problem of Israelis, that they are the one to defend themselves. But the truth is that the threat that Iranian have, or trying to oppose on other people, not only Israel, other Middle Easterners are going through the same. Because once they have that their nuke, everybody is a threat. Everybody will be in a threat. You have to be. They will use that to threaten you. You that come from Nigeria, or you are being forced to Nigeria, like many of us believe, you can confirm this, that there's a group in the north called Sheti Group. Do you know that it's originated from Iran? They are the one that's the Sasaki group. Do you know that they are the one doing some of this radicalism and all that? And there's some other group, other armed group there as well, doing the same thing. Now, Iranians are supporting this kind of thing because they want to rule the world, and they have to acquire some of those things for them to advance, their cause. The issue is that Iran is a dependent country. They have their land, they have a map, everything is okay. But the ideology inside them is what people don't like. I mean, it makes other regions to feel threatened. And you can see what they can say and what they can do without having nuke. Imagine what they would do if they have it. That is why Israel says that we are doing this not for us. We are doing it for America. We are doing it for Middle East, for Arab country. You cannot just allow these people to acquire this kind of thing just because they want to acquire it. Think about the outcome of it. Why I'm saying this is because Israel did not wait for UN to give them, okay, go ahead and do and stop them. They are doing it now because they know they are the one they are the one to receive the repercussion before another person. You that have seen the buying and killing of people around in our region, or even in another location, like in Plateau, in Edo, Benue, in Jigawa, in Medugri. You are seeing that even in the Yoruba land, in Oyo, in Ibadan. Now you saw what happened in Enugu. Even yesterday, news has it that the same Hamufu, they are there. Mention one location in our land today that Fulani have buyed people massively, and today that location is Fulani free. No one. All the location, anywhere they have carried out the attack, their presence are still there. Why? Because our people are still not yet, getting the message. The message is very simple. No matter how you push, they will be there until you push properly. Until you push very, very, very well. Without you being pushing very, very well, you are talking to yourself. And that is very, very difficult to ignore. Very, very difficult to ignore. Some of us are not getting it. And like I said, look at what some of our brothers are doing from fallback group. Trying to attack CS, trying to attack people because to them, they want to maintain their job, their position, the title, everything. They want to they want to feel relevant, whether you like it or not. And they keep on telling you that they are defending you, that for you. They are not for you. They are not for you. That's just a fact. And I'm saying this because many of us are yet to understand that the more you keep silent, the more they take advantage of your silence and penetrate you and push you away. Now, I don't want the video to be too long. Benue people should be an eye-opener. What is going on in Benue, or what has happened in Benue, should, teach you a very good lesson if you want to learn. But if you don't want to learn, We are all here. Do you understand? Yeah, because it's not about COS. No. Neither is it about Mr. or Mr. B. No. It's about everyone. Let us be very, very careful and pay close attention to what is going on. Do what you can do to save yourself. Self-defense is allowed. It's allowed. Even though some people kicked against it out of ignorance, like Ezenagwa, Israel and France. Many, many people like that. And Ogegre have actually told them now that you have to defend yourself. And she's okay with it. She said it by herself. She's okay with it. So my people, I just want to make this quick video because today's PM court case. We are going to, you know, react on that, but I have to wait until I have the proper information, not from four back group or from Charter Republic. I don't think the information worth sharing at this point in time. Even if you want to share it, you have to use it as a kind of a reference, not to rely on their update. Let's wait for USB government to tell us the rating, and I believe that is where to have that's the best way to gather the real information without misleading anybody. Please like if and tell me what you think about it. Are you learning something from what is going on in other parts of Nigeria, or are you still waiting for one missile to fall from sky and tell you when to defend yourself and what to do? The choice is yours, but let us be careful before it's too late. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.